Hi friends! So I am so pumped to share with you guys what I'm going to share with you today. So if you like lashes, magnetic, adhesive, whatever it may be, I have found a brand that I am absolutely loving. I purchased because I thought that the adhesive pen was cool. And I saw someone wear the lashes and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to have these. I need to try them. So I purchased the bundle. It comes with a set of lashes. It comes with an application tool and it comes with this adhesive pen, okay? It was $50 and I can't even tell you how much I absolutely love this product. So I'm going to show you how I apply them. I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. And I'm also going to take this like daytime kind of look and bump it up to an evening look with the lashes. I mean, you could definitely wear these every day. I've been wearing them for like the last 4 days. But I'm going to show you just how I apply them, how easy it is to take this look and bump it up, and how awesome. This right here is like the ride or die of lash glue. I'm not even kidding. I can't rave about it enough. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to put them on. Okay, so my basic look today was just using a color called Rose Colored Glasses. I just put that on all over the lid, but I'm going to bump that up to a darker look. So I'm going to take La Vida Mocha, which is this really pretty brown color. And I'm just gonna take, this is a Morphe brush. I got it with my 35XO palette, but I'm just gonna take that and really put it right down at the lash line. And then blend that upwards into the crease because I'm gonna create kind of like a smoky eye, but it's not gonna be that really like deep, dark smoky eye. Just gonna be a pretty like subtle brown. You know, a lot of people want to do a smoky eye, but they're very intimidated by having such a dark shade. And there's a little bit of fallout, but we're going to clean that up once we get this on. And again, these shadows that I'm using, you can just continue to layer. You know, you always want to start out with less and then work your way up and keep adding more and more and more until you get the desired color that you want. Always less is always more, and it's always easier to add than to take away, right? Always easier to add than to take away with makeup. Okay, so we've gotten that where we want it, and then we're going to go under the eye a little bit with what's left on that brush, and we're just going to clean up what we have. So I'm actually going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Sand. And I'm just going to put a little dab. This one's actually really yellow. I'm actually going to mix it with a little bit of Fair Warm because that one's like super yellow. So I'm just going to mix those on the back of my hand. Put what's left on the brush there. And then we're just going to go under that eye area and just really clean up any mess there might be there. And you can go on the inner corner here. I'm actually going to use a concealer brush to clean up that area. Just like so. And then I'm just going to take my sponge. I'm using my Blenderful. It's my favorite latex-free sponge, and blend that outward. And we'll just take what's left on my hand and blend under the eye. So if you wanted to even make this a little bit darker, say you wanted to really darken it up, you can take this really pretty black, or any black, it doesn't have to be this one, and just put it right here in that outer corner, and then we'll blend it out with a really fluffy brush. I have the Morphe M510, and I'm just gonna blend that outer corner right there. Okay. So you can take that same brush and we can really go in under the eye here and really smoke that out. Like so, because we want that nice smoky look. All right, so here's where we're gonna go in with the lashes. So I already had mascara on. I curled my lashes. I put mascara on. I am gonna go over just a little bit more because my mascara is old for the day. But we're gonna just throw on a little more mascara. And we'll do our bottom lashes in just a second. And then we're gonna take, okay, so this is the style Chosen. They come in, I mean, packaging is everything for me, y'all. Packaging, you cannot get any more beautiful package. So it has this rose gold that says "Worthy the Label" on the front of it. And then on the back is the name. This one's called Chosen. And I've actually already trimmed these because I've worn them, but they come on this little like clear casing, I guess is what you would call it. And so what you do is you're just gonna take this liner. I mean, how cute is this too? Look at the detail, like it's got a little jewel. It actually unscrews so you can see how much glue you have left. Wouldn't it be cool if you could just replace the glue refill? That would be so awesome. I should probably suggest that. All right, so mine's looking a little dirty because I have gone over eyeliner with this, but basically you just do it like you would an eyeliner. So I'm just gonna swipe that on. You can see I'm using the clear adhesive like so. I'm gonna put the lid on so that does not dry out. And you don't have any drying time, guys. That's my favorite part. So I'm just gonna take my lash with my lash application tool. I'm taking a mirror and I'm gonna look down into that mirror so I can place these exactly where I want them, as closest to the band as I can, or as closest to the lash line as I can get. And I like to press in the center first. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and we're gonna apply it, just attach it right in the center first, like so, okay? Then we're gonna attach the outside pieces and then attach the inner corners. And then I just like to take the tool and make sure I have everything in place. Did not get this one attached. Like so, okay? So that side is done. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna take my lash adhesive. We're gonna go right at that lash line and apply it just like an eyeliner. Okay, put your lid back on so that it does not dry out. Get your lash off the tray. Put it in your lash tool, like so. We're gonna do the same thing over here. We're gonna apply it as close to the lash as we possibly can, the lash line. And then connect on the outside. And then connect on the inner corner. And then adjust if you need to. Like so. So I have those lashes on. I like to just keep my case and everything all together. When I take them off, I put them back in my case. I've been very diligent with that. But I am gonna apply a little more mascara to my bottom lashes. Just because we're really bumping this up into a nighttime look. And then again, I'm just gonna take a little more, since I added a little more darkness. I'm gonna just do this in the outer corner. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm gonna show you the blush that I'm gonna use because it is stunning. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm going to go in with Slam. It's this really pretty rust color. A little goes a very long way, y'all. So when I say just use a little bit, look how beautiful that blush is. So I like to just tap my brush in and see how much. I have the shade Ruby Chocolate on my lips. I'm going to take my NYX Lip Plumper. This is the Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Polish. The only thing I don't like about this is it's thick. It has a really thick consistency, but I like the shine that it brings and I like the plumping effect that it brings. So we are going with it. That's the NYX Filler Instinct. I am then just going to set my face with my time setter. And we shall fluff up the hair so it looks like we've done something with it. Give us a little volume. And we look like we're ready for a night on the town. And just a couple easy steps of really upping that daytime look and adding the lash and a little bit of blush and some gloss. So if you are interested in the lashes, I do have a 10% off code I will put down in the description box. I am waiting on a new set that I am so pumped about. They're called Adored. They're actually just like a half strip lash that just give you a little bit of a flare. So I will come back and show you my first impression of those when I get those. But if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. Again, like and subscribe. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.